We have created a Tekla component for Nordic Fasting Group's welding plates. Let me show you how it works. After downloading the component from Tekla Warehouse, it will be available over here in the component and application section. Double click on the component and you will find two different types in the component. SPS and the SPK. Both of them come with a different number of different sizes. You can also set the different prefix, start number and class. Are you interested in the different dimensions of these components? You can see them here. You can also choose to add it as an individual assembly or as a sub-assembly. And of course you can set your own settings and save it. Now I will add the component to the floor. I choose the right size, apply it, and I pick the floor, and now I will pick the temporary first point. I choose the corner and I would like it to be, place it 4 meters along this edge. I put another temporary point. I would like it to be placed 500 millimeters from the edge. This will be the center of the welding plate. So I choose one edge and then I choose the other edge as for a plane. Now I have the component correctly placed. I can now copy this component along the edge here, and I would like it to have 2500, and I would like to have 4 additional components. I can also choose one of them to be a different type. Very easy to do. Now I am very soon ready to order. I just want to check that my components in the wall to beam connection is correct. Looks good. And now I'm ready to order them from Nordic Fasting Group. I choose 2 points, and now I can open the list just to check if it's okay. Here you can see I have 4 of the 100 by 100, 4 of the 300 by 300, and I have one optimal 250 by 100. That's the last one. Just send this list to Nordic Fasting Group and you will get the correct parts. Thank you for watching.